Oh, COBY PERSIN, I've seen your stuff, bro. Yeah. Yo, beautiful car. I love it, man.
Thank you.
Take it easy, man. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Automotive. My name is Anis. Today we are in Beverly Hills. We're going to be doing something a little bit different today. We're not going to be doing any Tesla videos per se. There is a trend on TikTok that is going on, and it's asking very wealthy, successful people with very nice supercars what they do for a living. So we have come to one of the biggest hubs for these successful areas and crazy supercars. So we're gonna go try to find some in Beverly Hills, ask them what they do. And if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video. Let's get into it.
Sometimes I can handle this alright, but don't wanna waste time.
It's a beautiful car. What do you do for a living? What is it? You're in tech?
I'm in tech.
Beautiful, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow. Beautiful, man. Beautiful car, man. I love the car. Do you mind if I ask what you do for a living?
I have a business.
What is it?
I do car wrap business.
Online business?
Car wrap.
Oh, car wrap business.
As far as wrap.
Okay, that's beautiful, man. I love it. I love it. Thanks, man. Take it easy. If I ask you what you do for a living? Do you mind if I ask you what you do for a living?
Sorry?
Do you mind if I ask you what you do for a living?
Custom wrap.
Custom wrap? Oh, is that your boy up there on the front, the Porsche? Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro.
Hey, what did he say? What did he say?
He does custom wraps. Like, he's with the other guy. He does... I love your car, man. Do you mind if I ask what you do for a living?
I've just never found the title holder.
Do you mind if I ask what is it?
Business. He said business.
Bro, beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Do you mind asking what do you do for a living?
YouTubers.
You're YouTubers? What's the channel name?
COBY PERSIN.
Oh, COBY PERSIN, I've seen your stuff, bro. Yo, beautiful car. I love it, man.
Thank you.
Take it easy, man. All right, so it has been a very decent, short, and eventful day based on filming. We got a few people. I really had fun doing this, trying it out in Beverly Hills. It was pretty cool. We saw a lot of them. Some people honestly like didn't really want to talk. It was so awkward. Beautiful car, man. Do you mind if I ask you what you do for a living? But for the most part, I really loved and enjoyed doing it. And it seemed like a lot of the young people that were driving around in these supercars were really cool and down to talk to me and really like kind of interact. But it was a lot of the older guys that, you know, were just weird about it. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful car. Didn't really care. But it is what it is, to each their own. Thanks for watching. Again, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you liked it. If you want more stuff, I want you to comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it, what I should do next, and I'll see you guys on the next one.